guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Savannah Liddell, and today's video I'm going to be telling you guys why I quit the keto diet. If you're interested in learning why I quit the keto diet and just some of the things that I experienced, stay tuned. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that way you never miss an upload from me. And make sure that you follow me on Instagram. My name is Savannah Liddell on there. I post a lot of lifestyle, beauty, and fashion content. So if you're into those things, go ahead and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so it can be seen by more people. And don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Disclaimer, I do have my collar up because I have eczema really bad and I'm breaking out up here. So if you see it, that's what it is. I don't want people to be like, what the hell is on her neck? That's why I'm trying to cover it. So if I look a little crazy, that's why. The reason why I started my weight loss journey is because I'm fat. Period. So basically, I've always been, to me, in my eyes, just an average size. I've never been obese or I might have been overweight, but like felt okay, you know, in my body. I felt like I was average size. Probably later years in college, I started going through a lot of depression and things like that. And so I did gain some weight. And then once I graduated college, I moved back home. I started a job that was a sit-down job. I had been used to just retail. So in retail, you're on your feet all the time. You're moving around, you know. I probably was still eating trashy back then, but at least I was getting that movement in. So fast forward after college, I'm now at a sit-down job, which I've been at for 3 years. So I was already a little bit overweight. But then working that sit-down job, I mean, there was no movement in my body and I didn't go to the gym, you know. So I was just sitting all day and eating bad things. So basically I gained an extra 30 pounds, which put me in a position where I have never been. It put me in a weight range that I have never been in, never thought I would see, but here we are. So this is the biggest that I've been. And basically before, it was more of like a confidence thing, why I wanted to lose weight. I wanted to feel like myself again. I wanted to feel attractive. I wanted to love fashion again. Just all those types of things. But now we're to the point where that kind of stuff is on the back burner, and this is now because of my health. So I have never had any health issues in the past, but more recently I have developed high blood pressure. So it's really scary. I never thought I'd be in this position, but here I am. So it's really important for me to get this extra weight off, get back to a healthy range, and just make a lifestyle change. So I decided last year, December 2018, that I was going to get a jump start on my weight loss journey. So I started meal prepping, eating clean. I actually joined a gym, which is y'all, I was so scared to join a gym because I thought everyone was going to look at me and laugh at me, and I realized nobody cares about you. Everyone's in their own zone and you're at the gym for a reason, you know, period. So no one's judging you. Anyways, I got over that hump. So I started exercising, eating healthy, and I went to my doctor's appointment, and it was for them to check on my blood pressure to see if the medication had been working. Unfortunately, it was still pretty high, and I ended up having to up my dosage on my medication, which, if you guys know me, I do not like taking pills. I just don't like taking medicine in general, or pills or anything like that. It doesn't make me feel good. So I really wasn't happy about it, and it really shocked me, and I was just like, you have to get this weight off. And I was just kind of like, you have to get in a healthy range. So I feel like me losing 20 pounds would be like awesome for me. I want to lose even more than that, but I was like, you need to lose these 20 pounds, get out of this critical weight range that you're in right now, so maybe it'll improve your health. So I decided to do the keto diet. I had researched the keto diet a couple months back. I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers, influencers, like health people talking about keto, even people in real life. And I was just like, you know, I learned more about it and I was just like, I don't think this is for me. So I just never thought about it again until, you know, after this doctor's appointment that I left feeling really bad about. So I did a little research and I decided that I'm going to go for it. I'm going to try keto because I saw people losing weight on it really fast. And I was like, wow, if I could shed these 20 pounds pretty quick and get in a healthy range and then go back to just, you know, dieting the way I was. That was my thought process. I was like, just get these 20 pounds off. Whatever you need to do, just do it. So I decided to try keto. I went into it with a positive mind. I researched so I knew, you know, the keto flu thing would happen, your body's changing, all that good stuff. So I was prepared for all of that. I'll just give you guys a little rundown on what I ate. So I would pretty much eat for breakfast. I would have eggs, I would have avocado, and then sometimes I would throw bacon in there. And then for lunch, I was making Cobb salads, which Cobb salad is just greens, bacon, cheese, tomatoes. I would put onions in mine and avocado. So it was really good. Oh, and chicken. Dinner, I would have salmon and asparagus. So that's pretty much what I ate. For snacks, I would eat beef jerky, cheese sticks, Jello, sugar-free Jello, some other things. So that's pretty much what I ate. I just drank water. Couple weeks in, I started doing the bulletproof coffee. Anyways, just that's pretty much what I ate. Keto made my body feel really weird. It didn't feel natural at all. So, you know, when you start keto, your body is transitioning. So it's going from using carbs as fuel to using fat as fuel. So your body definitely has to adjust. So it may take you a while. You could have the keto flu for a couple days up to 2 weeks. So I knew it was going to happen. Some of my symptoms of the keto flu were I would have really bad headaches. I was kind of irritable the first couple days. I was really hungry the first 2 days and then that left. I had no energy. It was crazy. I had no energy. The first week, the whole time I was on keto, I didn't go to the gym because I was so exhausted, y'all. It was just crazy. I also had a lot of trouble sleeping the first week. After the second week, I would say my body adjusted. Like, I got full really fast. That was kind of a downfall because it was hard for me to get my fats in because your body is running off of fats. It's using your fuel. Your fat is your fuel. So that's why I was having a lot of low energy. But it was hard for me to eat a lot because I was full. So it started to just feel like more of a hassle than a lifestyle. And I did lose 4 pounds the first week, and then I think I might have lost like 2 pounds the second week. So I definitely felt good. Like, I felt small, like, if that makes sense. Like, I started feeling my collarbone popping out a little bit. Like, I felt my stomach wasn't as bloated. Like, I felt good, but my body still didn't feel normal. And I knew the keto flu was a thing, so I was like, let me just work through this. I'm going to get through it. And then the third week, y'all, all the other symptoms had left, but the one thing that I just couldn't get over was my energy levels. My energy levels were like, boom, down. I tried to eat more fat. It just, like I said, it became a hassle. And for me, I just was like, I don't think this is the right method for me. I don't hate keto, but I don't think this is right for my body. So I made the decision to go back to classic dieting. One thing I did my third week of keto, I started to do intermittent fasting, which is good to do when you're on the keto diet, but I think I started it way too early in the game. So my body was just like, what are you doing? What are you doing to us? So it was just a lot, and I decided that keto is not the way for me personally. I think I just like classic dieting, eating clean, working out. So once I started to add those carbs back in, I did feel my energy levels go up and I felt normal again. So that's basically why I quit keto. I don't have anything against the keto diet or anyone that does it. So I'm not, if you're on a weight loss journey or you're thinking about doing keto, just do your research and give it a try. And if you like it, like some people it works for, and then if you don't really like it, like me, if you feel like it's just not for your body, then quit it and do something else. So that's pretty much all I have. I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on why I quit keto and my experience with it. I know in one of my last videos, it was a mukbang video, and I said I was going to start keto, so people were like ready to see keto content, and I'm sorry guys, but your girl quit. But I'm still on my weight loss journey, so if you guys are on a weight loss journey, or if you have any tips or tricks, leave me comments down below. If you guys are on keto or did keto, give me some advice. I mean, well, I'm not doing it anymore, but just give me your thoughts down below. Keep it classy. There's no need to bash anyone. We all have our preferences, and I'm not bashing keto either. It may work for you, it may not. But yeah, if you're on a weight loss journey, if you love fashion, if you love beauty, if you love me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, give this video a thumbs up so more people can see it. And if you have someone who experienced the same thing or is thinking about doing keto or just weight loss journey, share this video with them. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Savannah Liddell. And I think that's all I have for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. And I'm talking really fast because I have to go to work, so yeah, deuces.